Plus 2 into plus 2. What should be here? Plus into plus, it become plus. It's plus 4, no? Minus 3 into minus 4. What should be there? Minus into minus, it become plus. It become plus. 3 into 4. 3 into 4, it should be 12. Is that clear? These are very basic. But if you are taking minus into plus or the different signs, plus into minus, what happen? If you multiply different sign, it become negative. It become negative, no? It become negative. For example, plus 2 into negative 2. What happen? Plus into minus, it become negative. 2 into 2, 4. Clear? Minus 3 into plus 4. What happened? Plus into minus, it become minus 3 into 4, it's 12. Clear? These are the very basic you have to know. Starting with the very basic things like that. Okay? So that are the basics you have to know. As well as the division also, it's going like that. And you have to know about what is the fraction with the multiply with the common factor. That's calling what? Equal fractions. So if you are multiply the denominator and the numerator with the same value, it should be a what? Same kind of the factor. If you are multiply denominator and the numerator in the same value, it become what? Equal factor. So look at here. If I consider 1 over 2, I multiply both by the 3, so it's 3 over 6. So you can write 1 over 2 should be equal for 3 over 6. Clear? I think you already know. And the other thing, you have to know how to convert mixed numbers into fraction. I will discuss more and more. I just remind you. Okay? You can convert mixed numbers into fraction and also fraction into the mixed numbers. Okay, so these are the basic things. Okay, so simplifying fractions like that one you have to follow me down. Yes. So first of all, we will analyze some questions regarding to that one. So I wanted to simplify. So when you are simplify, what can you do? When you are simplifying, what can you do? You can what? Divide both numerator and denominator into the same value. Is that clear? You can divide both denominator and the numerator in the same value. After that one you can simplify it. For example, okay, look at here. Okay, write the first subtopic, simplifying the factors. Okay, write down the subtopic, simplifying. I want to simplify about the factors. Okay, if I write is simplify, I wanted to simplify here. Okay, when I simplify these kind of things, so otherwise if I simplify here, okay, so here the same example I take in 28 over 42. 28 over 42. Which value can I divide both denominator and the numerator? Let me know. Yes? Can you tell which value can be divided both numerator and the denominator? Yes? 4? Yeah. One of you said 4. Okay, if I divide by 4. Yeah, 4. Otherwise, it should be better to divide in a 7. Yeah. One person say 4. If I divide by 4, what happen? 28 divide by 4, 7. 42 can be divided by 4. So, it cannot, no? So, it should be divide both numerator and the denominator should be the same value. Yes, we can divide by 7. That's correct. If I divide by 7, what should be there? Here, the numerator is 4. 42 divided by 7, 6. We can divide more, no? Again we can divide, no? Simplify means we cannot be divide more than that value. Okay? After simplifying a factor, After simplifying a factor, you cannot be divide more than that. Okay, if I consider 6 over 4, what can you write? You can divide again. You can divide again. What can you do? Yes, you can divide by 2. Good. So, if you are divide by 2, here it should be 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. So, final simplified value is what? What should be there? 2 over 3. So, you can just divide. Both can be divided by 14 at one time. It okay. If you are dividing, both can be divided by one time by 14. It's okay. If you cannot see, you have to divide again. Clear? If you cannot see, you can divide again. So when you simplify, you have to divide by the bigger value that can be divided both. Okay, the biggest value that can be divided by both. Is that clear? One more example, the easiest one. 15 over 60. Yes, let me know. Which value can we divide? Both. Help me. Which value can we divide both?
5.
Yes, we can divide both by 5. Otherwise, can you divide 15? Shall you do? If I divide by 15, 15 divided by 15, it's 1. 60 divided by 15, it's 15, 30, 45, 64. Yes, it's 1 over 4. Clear? It's 1 over 4 here. Is that clear? If you divide by 5, what happens? 3 over 12. Again, you have to divide by 5. Divide by 3. Yes. No worries. You can divide again and again like here. So simplify should be the smallest answer can be divided after dividing the bigger value that can be seen on. Clear? That can be seen on. So next thing, sometime there are given the decimal values. What happened here? If there are given decimal values here, oh, what can you write? First of all, here having one decimal place. Here having one decimal place. Can you see? Is that clear? After decimal place, how many numbers there? 1. Is that okay? After decimal place, how many numbers here? 1. After decimal place, how many numbers there? 1. So, if they are having one number, what do? You have to multiply both by 1 means 1, 0 value. What should be there? 10. You have to multiply both by 10 first. Is that clear? You have to multiply both by 10 first. Okay? You have to multiply both by 10. Why? Why? What is the reason? They are having only one decimal place. After that one, you can write it as what? Whole numbers, not the decimals. Not the decimals. Okay, 0.8 multiplied by 10. It is 8. 1.6 multiplied by 10. What is the answer? 16. 8 over 16. Now you can simplify it, no? Now you can simplify it, no? 0.8 over 1.6. Rather than this one, 8 over 16. If you are seeing 8 over 16, you can easily simplify. Both can be divided by 8. Clear? Both can be divided by 8.
What
So
about 4 and 2?
yeah, if you want, you can divide by 4. If you are divide by 4, yes. If you are divide by 4, what happened? I write here 8 over 16. If you are divide by 4, yes, no worries. Good. You can divide by 4. If you are divide by 4, it's 2. Here, what is the divide by 4? 2 over 4. Again, you can divide by what? Again, you can divide by 2. Is that clear? Again, you can divide by 2. So, after that, 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Same answer, no? Same answer. You have to, if you are dividing bigger value, you have to you no need to divide again and again. No need to divide again and again. You can get the answer by one time. Shall we write? Please write down this one quickly. Yes, write down. Here are some examples. Write down examples. Write down. Yes, please. Is there any doubt? Please ask me. Don't worry. Yes. You can use the chat box. here. They are having meeting chat. If you want, you can use the chat. Otherwise, you can ask. Don't be shy, okay? No worries. Yes. If you get it, please thumb up. Yes. You can thumb up. If you're okay, yes. Thumbs up. Yes. Please thumbs up. If you get it, you can react. Okay, yes. You get yes. Great. Okay, got it. Great.
So we should write this, right?
Yeah, write it. Yes. Please write it. I'm ready for writing. Yes. Write down. Okay. After finish, let me know. So when you simplify, both numerator and denominator should be divided by the same value. Okay. Great. Okay, sometimes they are asking only one factor. So when they are asking only one factor, how you can write it? Yes. Like here, sometimes they ask you 0.4, 0.025, like that, and how you are going that. Here is upper part. Yes. Right. Okay, yes. Sometimes they are given like here. If they are given 0.2, how to simplify that one? 0.2, 0.4 or something. Okay, 0.4. Yes. 0.4 means actually what? If I write in this one as a fractional form, how to write? 0.4. They are having only one decimal place. You can write it as 4/4/10. Is that clear? Why I writing over 10? I am writing here over 10. Here only having
Because
one
there's one decimal
yeah,
place
one
and
decimal place.
the zero represents.
Yes, great. If they are having only one decimal place, it should be divided by 10. Yes. So can you simplify this one? Both can be divided by. Both can be divided by. Yes, you can divide both by 2.
Two.
Yes, great. It should be 2. So you can write it as 1/5. Shall you write? Yes. Write down. Can you simplify this one? 0 to 5. Yes. 0.025. They are having
Yeah, 25 over
25,
20.
25 over. There are 3 decimal place. 3 zeros. 3 zeros means
1,000.
1000.
40.
Yes, 1000. Now you can divide both by
25.
25. Yes, you can divide both by 25. When you are dividing 25 25, it's 1. 25 into 100, 4. There are 40. So it's 1/40. Clear? It's 1/40. 1/40. 1/40. You can write it as 1/40. You can use calculator sometime, but I not recommend calculators always. Okay. In exam you can use calculator, doesn't matter, but I'm not recommended calculators always. No. Yes. So I wanted to write this one. Sometimes they are asking what? Giving a fraction. I wanted to write it as a decimal form. How to write? 2/5. Sorry. 2/5. I wanted to write this one as a what? Decimal form. Write this one as a decimal form. How to write? If you want, you can use long division method. Long division method is what? Here 2 divide by 4. 5. So how many 5s for 2? 0. 0, yes. You can place a decimal point and put a 0. 20, it's 4. 4 into 5, 20 and 0, yes. You can write it as 0.4. You can use a calculator otherwise. Okay. Here one method. So one more. If I writing 5/8, shall we write it as what? Decimal form? Shall we? Yes. 5/8. Can you write it as a decimal form? 5/8. Yes. How many 0? 450. How many 8? There are 6. 6, yeah. 6, no? 48. There are 2. For 20, how many? There are 2. 2 into 8, it's 16. There are 4. Another 4, there are no. 40, there are 5. 5 into 8, 40. Right. Here the long division method. You can use that one. Otherwise, you can use a calculator. So it becomes 0.625. Okay, write them also. You can write what? Fraction convert into the decimal form like that. Is that clear? you can convert fraction into the decimal form. Okay, please ask out. Don't be shy, unless I said. Okay, if there are having any doubt, please ask me. Yes, turn on the cameras, please. Switch on cameras. Yes, great. Yes, write down. Okay, write down. Yes, write them also. And after we will move for the exercise, the very first exercise. Move there. Okay, page number 4. You can see the exercise. Exercise 1. Shall we start? I'll share also. Page number 4. You can see exercise 1. Shall we start? Yes.
Yeah,
Please start.
I don't have
Yeah.
the textbook.
Sorry.
I don't have the textbook.
Are you don't have textbook with you?
Yeah.
All of you? Oh, not for you. I already shared that
I
one for
also
the. Ah.
don't have textbook, sir.
Okay. I shared that one for the. Yes, I shared that one for the chat also. Can you please download it? Okay. I shared it. Otherwise, you can put me personal message also.
Can I write it?
Yes.
Do we have to write this in the writing book or in the textbook?
Write this. Just write the question in the writing book and write the answer. Just write exercise 1, question number 1, 8 over 12 equal for that one. Clear? Just write like that, okay? No need to write all things, simplify these like that, okay? Please go through. Yes. I'll also do with you. Please share your notes for me after the lesson. All of you, please share your notes, okay?
Please send a message in the group so I can get your number.
Okay, yes. I put my number also in the chat. My WhatsApp number here plus 94 77403 2000. Okay. You can ask me through the WhatsApp also. I will share the document with you. Yes. Here 8 over 12. 8 over 12 you can divide both by 4. If I divide by 4, what is the answer here? 2. Here 12 divided by 4, it should be 3. So you can write it as 2 over 3. Clear? It should be 2 over 3. Here both can be divided by 15. Both can be divided by 15 now. Before that all I divided here. Here both can be divided by. That clear now? Now both can be divided by 8. If you are dividing by 8, What should be there? 16 divided by 8, it's 2. 24 divided by 8, it's 3. 2 over 3. If you are divided by 4, it's 4 over 6. Again can be divided by 2. Clear? Will I simplify? It's better to write in the bigger value first. Here, I divide by 15. 15 divided by 15, it's 1. 45 divided by 15, it's 3. It's 3 over 1 over 3. It's 1 over 3. Okay. Here, which value can you divide? Thinking. Processing, yes. Yes. Which value? You can divide both by. Here, you can divide both by 4, no? If you are divide by 4, let me know. See. $56. 14, no? Yes, it's 14 over 84. 21. 14 over 21. Now again you can divide it by 7 if you want. Otherwise you can divide same time if you want, you can divide it by 28. It's fine. I firstly divide 4 and next divide by 7. Clear? 14 divided by 7, it's 2 over 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7, it's 3. 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Here fractional form. I said when they are having fractional form, here one decimal place, no? You can multiply both by 10. Here you can multiply both by 10. When you multiply, here should be 6 over 12. 6 over 12. Now 6 over 12. So you can divide. Yes, great. You can divide both by
You can
6.
divide by 6.
Yeah, 6. Yes. So it's 1 over 2. Great. It's 1 over 2. Great. .9 over 2.7. Here also you can multiply both by tens. So it's 9 over 27. 9 over 27. When you divide both by 9, both by 9. How many 9s for 9? It's 1. How many 9 for 27? It's 3. It's 1 over 3. It's 1 over 3. Okay, no? Yusuf? Yes? No issue, no? Yes. Go through. Okay. Okay. You can move for the second question. Before that, if you want, you can take a 5-minute break and join back using the same Zoom link. Okay? Okay? Yes. Take 5 minute break and join back in the same Zoom link. Okay, go to the 7, 8, 9, 10 also. Yes, take 5 minute break.